It's an instructional video for mounting the Falcon 24 and 25 series MEL motor assembly. Turn the base plate assembly upside down so push pad is resting on a flat surface and motor mounting location is on the left. Place motor in left hand with white sticker facing toward you. Extend and hold the silver hook arm outward. While tilting the upper part of the base plate assembly away from you slightly, move the extended motor silver hook arm into position under the base plate. A post will be hanging down from the base plate. The motor silver hook arm should sit on the near side of that post. Rotate the motor assembly to hook the arm over the base plate axle pin that is closest to the base plate. Do not pull out on the motor at this step. Set the motor on the flat surface. Push down firmly on the base plate so it bottoms out against the push pad. While depressing the base plate, lift up the motor assembly and guide it along the elongated base plate slot until the motor lip slips over the base plate. Using a No. 1 Phillips screwdriver, secure the motor assembly with two small self-tapping screws provided.